and thank you for joining me today. My name is Wendy Lee, and you can find me at CreativeLeeYours.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in the US, and excited to be sharing a little sneak peek with you for our May 2025 Cultivated Creativity DIY Paper Crafting Kit. So, what is Cultivated Creativity? It is amazing, in my opinion, right? So every single month, we curate a beautiful crafting kit for you with 5 card projects and one not a card project. So we like to mix things up a little bit. Every single month, we pick a featured stamp set. Many times, it's a bundle with either a punch or a set of dies. Of course, you can use whatever you have in your crafty stash if you prefer. But we do offer the option to add the bundle on to your kit at retail price. So saves you a little bit of money. So for May, we are featuring the amazing Cheers and Sips stamp and die bundle. Now, first glance, when I look at this one, I was like, oh, it's all about having cocktails. Well, of course it can be, but you can do mocktails, or it doesn't have to be that type of a beverage at all, right? This could be juice or lemonade or whatever drink you want it to be. And there's so much more you can do with the stamp set other than just drinks, right? So we are pulling in some fun little techniques and just making some nice celebratory projects this month, right? So everything is packaged up beautifully for you. And I love it. I just love it. So it's all labeled and in a bag for you. And you have all the consumable supplies that you need. This is actually part of a larger product suite, which is in our online exclusives. And it's got so many amazing things. So lovely holographic resin dots. There's beautiful designer paper with some gorgeous colors and images. And there's a ribbon. Oh, there's so many good things. And you're going to get a sampling of all of it, right? All right, let's take a quick peek at the project, shall we? So I love it. So one thing about our kits is that we also do the insides of our cards. Now I'm not going to show that to you. That is exclusive to our subscribers. So you've got some glass detail going on. This one's a fun fold. We've got a cute little giftable going on. And how about a little fruit, right? Some fun fruit. And last but not least, so each card is unique, each project is unique, and we're teaching you different things, right? We're going to cut out of our designer paper, we're going to use our dies, we're going to make things glassy with different techniques. We're going to, they're just fun, right? Lots of fun, very cheerful. All genders and ages can enjoy these projects. So if you're not yet a subscriber, I hope that you'll join us. And if you are a subscriber, let me know what you're most excited about in this month's kit. I'd love to know, right? All right. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And look in the description in the video below to join us for this next round. Registration closes May 20th while supplies last. Thanks so much and bye for now.